Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to resize image in Paint. So if you want to do it, first we need to load image to Paint, so I need to go to File, I need to go to Open, and now I need to select image that I want to resize. So for example, I select this one image and I click Open. I click Don't Save to create a new project, and now image will be successfully loaded to Paint. So now we need to click Resize button. And after that you will have two options to resize. You can use percentage method or pixels method. I recommend you to set this one method. So I click here and then let's check if maintain aspect ratio is checked. It is very important. And now we can type value for horizontal size. For example, I type here 2200. We will try to increase size of this image. And after that, I need to click OK button to make changes to our image. And how you see, it has been successfully resized. Image size is now increased. And of course, if you would like to use another method, you need to go to Resize and you need to change percentage value. Then on horizontal, I may type, for example, 120, and then I click OK button. And size of our image has been successfully increased. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use this option, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.